Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fitia app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Fitia app and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here is on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.